Able to get some pretty good footage of this, and if I can, we'll run this now and I'll try to narrate for you as best I can. You can see the flagon here right now, and they're trying to get a little bead on him. And in just a few seconds here, you'll see a little fire coming out of his tailpipe there as he goes into his burners. And moving around now. I wish they were here to narrate this themselves, but this is some really good stuff. Coming in closer and closer. And you can watch him now. He's got to be a little uncomfortable right now. I doubt that he has much of a fix on them. And he's maneuvering here. Any second now, you'll see those burners come on. And they're trying to get in behind him, Moving around. Come on, kick it in, kick it in. Here it comes. You should see it any second now. Good shot right there, good shot. Look at those missiles on the wings. Okay, stand by, here we go. Coming in closer and closer, and now you can see the burners coming in. He's trying to get away, but are they going to let him? No, I don't think so. Right on his 6. Ready, 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 ready. Oh, look at this, look at this. This is Top Gun stuff here. This is incredible. All right, shot. Yes. Goodbye, flagon. They could have cooked this guy if they wanted to, but rules of engagement, and it's still peacetime, and he will live to fight another day. But if we'd had to, we'd have taken him out right there. Look at that. Great shot. Good footage.
Holding very slightly left.